I pick these things up every once in
Hey
a while
guys,
and look at it, and
I
I
hope you're
came up with
well.
my.
Hang on, how rude of me. I'm sorry. I have a quandary. I have been having vicious nightmares lately. One morning, man, I woke up utterly soaked. Literally, my shirt was dripping, and there was an outline of a corpse on the bed. Sorry for the bouncing belly laugh. Even this new phone can't compensate for my girth. Um, I have a quandary. Now, I have it's the end of an era, guys. I am announcing an EOL. Here, let me fix something. Hang on. Blowzo would like to announce his. Really, man? I've been trying to make this stupid. Wow, look at that thing. I'm doing nothing. Look at the brightness. Hey, man. Jesus. These are trying days. I'm going to make an end of life video featuring this Galaxy S5, and it's going to meet its demise here shortly. And guys, I'm curious how you'd like to see it die. Now, I've jotted down, let me recap. I've jotted down a few ideas, okay? Now, guys, I'm interested. For this EOL POS VID, would you like me, guys? Now, please vote in the comments. Would you like me to cleanse it with sage, a burning bundle of sage, a smoldering bundle of sage, then bind it with twine and bury it with nails to pin its spirit in place? It's haunted by a spirit named Dead Laura. I swear to God. You want to hear the story, man? Dead Laura. It's going to die with Hillary. I'm going to put together a montage of Hillary cackling like she used to do. So come on, Hillary, step up and take a bow, you cackling old witch. Okay, back to the matter at hand. Cleanse it with sage, bind it with twine, bury it with nails to pin its spirit in place, burn it at the stake. A classical Salem witchcraft era burning, although most of the poor innocent victims were hanged. Would you like me to electrocute it with a 16 kilovolt, 450-watt application of juice upon its screen while Hillary cackles? Actually, I need a video of the Hildebeest screaming in pain, but one can only dream. And I'm kidding. I wish her no harm. I think we're going to see a little more of her in a few years. Would you like me to shoot it with an AR-15? Vote 1, 2, 3, or 4. And I'll give you Hillary cackling herself to death. Boy, this video is a challenge. Oh, I need a wobbly pop. I want a wobbly pop, but I have a cardiologist visit at 8:30 a.m. I better not. 73.